Hi, welcome back to our Intro to Pilates series. Today we're focusing on the lower body. You won't need any equipment, just your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. If you don't have time to watch us now, please add us to your watch later and join us when you can. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We're taking a 4-point kneel, bringing the hands right under the shoulder blades, and we're going to start with a cat-cow. So we're just warming up the spine here. So really rounding into your back, pulling that navel in, and then really releasing the tailbone, lifting up the chest. And let's take that again, really rounding into your spine, and then releasing, sending that tailbone up. And let's add a breath here. Big inhale. And big exhale, releasing the spine. Keep that going here. Big inhale in. And exhale. And let's do that again 2 more times. Big inhale, scoop. Feel those abdominals pulling up into your back. And then release. And then 1 more time. And release. Okay, now let's find our tabletop position here. I want you to really press firmly into your hands. And we're going to start by extending that right leg out behind us. From here, let's lift that leg up, and we're lowering it back down. And again, we lift and lower. We're going to keep that going here. I want you to think about your navel pulling in. So we're keeping those abdominals nice and lifted. And we're breathing, feel that energy reaching out through the top of the head. And we go again for 3. And 2. And 1. From here, hold that leg out, and we're going to pull that knee in, and then reach it out. And every time that knee comes in, think about scooping into those abdominals. And we bring it in, and reach. Take that 1 more time, just like that. Reach your leg out. Now you have the option to stay there, or we're going to reach our left arm out. From here, we're going to bring that knee in to the elbow, reach it out, and again, and reach. And we keep that going for 4, and 3, 2, really extending out through the arms and leg, and 1. Reach it out. Let's bring that hand down. Keep your leg extended. From here, we're going to bend that knee. I want you to flex your heel, and we're working the hamstrings. Extend that leg out. And again. And stretch. And bend. Keep that leg going. You're going to start to feel that right hamstring start to fire up. Take that again for 4. Keep going. 3. We're almost there. 2. Last one. Keep that knee bent, and let's take small pulses up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Think about kicking that heel up. 2, 1, and bring it down. Good. Take a second. Quick stretch of the hips, and then we're going to take that on the other side. So from here, finding that 4-point kneel, let's take our cat-cow 1 more time, rounding into your spine, and then sending the tailbone out. And again, rounding into the back, and release it. Let's take that again for 2. And last one. Finding that tabletop position. From here, extend your left leg out. Same thing, we're going to lift that leg up and lower it down and lift. Now keep that leg going. I want you to be mindful of the space in between your shoulders. Make sure you're not sinking into that space. I want you to really feel that space with the back. So you're pushing with those arms, nice and strong. And we lift for 3 and 2 and 1. From here, draw that knee in, stretch it back out, and again, and reach. Really think navel's pulling that knee in, and in, Stretch it out. Hold it here. Let's reach that right arm out. And from here, we pull it in. And reach. And stretch. Keep that going. Reach it out. And in. And let's take that one more time. From here, bring that right hand down. Flex your foot, bend that knee, and we're taking our hamstrings. Reach it out. In. And stretch. And bend. Reach. Keep that going. We have 4 more here. Left hamstring is starting to fire up. And in. 2 more. And 1. Keep that knee bent, and let's take it up for 10. And 9. 8. 7. I know your glutes are burning. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Bring that leg down. Sit back towards the heels. Quick stretch of the hips. Take a second here. Okay, so now we're going to take modified push-ups. So we're going to take them on the knees. From here, find your plank position. And we're just taking 8. Bending at the elbow and up and bend. Think about keeping the spine nice and long. And let's take that again for 4. And 3. 2. And 1. From here, let's sit back towards those heels. Quick stretch here. All right, so now we're taking a side leg series. You're going to lie on your left side, working the right leg. So you can start propped up on the forearm. You can bring the head into the hands, or if your neck is really bothering you, can bring your head all the way down. So from here, we're going to bend that bottom leg, keeping the top leg straight. Pressing into your palms. We're going to take that leg and we're going to sweep it forward and then reach it back. And again, scoop and reach. Now, while the leg is going, I want you to think about your hips stacking right on top of each other, really pulling that right hip forward as the leg pulls back. And let's take that again for 4 and 3. Good. 2. And let's take it one more time. Reach it back. From here, we're taking that top leg and we're making circles. I'd say medium circles. They don't have to be too big. Good. Take 2 more here. And then let's reverse that for 5. Still being mindful of the hips staying stacked right on top of each other, shoulders stacked on top of each other. You're pressing into that palm. And from here, we're going to pull that right knee in. We're taking a bicycle. So extend that leg out in front of you, pull it back, draw that knee in, keep it going. I want you to imagine like you're pushing through mud. So you're creating your own resistance here. That's it. Let's take that again for 2. And 1. From here, let's reverse that, scooping that leg forward, drawing that knee in, reaching back behind you. And we take that again for 3. And 2. And 1. And lower that leg down. From here, we're going to rotate that toe up to the ceiling and we're kicking up. And I want you to lower down. You're squeezing, you're squeezing, you're squeezing. And again, kick that leg up and lower it down. And let's take that again for 3. And reach. And 2. Good. Last one. Lower it down. You're reaching, you're reaching, you're reaching. Last one here. We're going to bend both knees, connect your heels, and we're going to lift the feet off of the mat. We're taking our clamshell, open up that knee, and then squeeze it shut. And we lift. So you're really going to start feeling those glutes now. Keep that going. And up. And we take that for 4 and 3. Last 2 and 1. Good. Rest those legs, take a second, shake out that right leg, and then from here, let's go ahead and take that to the other side. Okay, so now we're lying on the right side, bending that right knee, extending the left leg, really pressing into that palm. Remember, shoulders stacked right on top of each other and hips as well. From here, let's take that leg forward, and then we're sweeping it back. And again, front, really reaching that leg behind you. Remember, when that leg goes back, think about your left hip pulling forward even more. And reach. Let's take that again for 4. And back. And 3. Keep that going. 2. 1. Reach it back. From here, we're taking that leg around in a circle for 5. Keep that going. Your glutes are starting to burn a little bit, but that's why we're here. Take that again for 2 and 1, and then let's go ahead and reverse that for 5. Keep breathing here. This is 3 and 2. Last 1, and then go ahead and bring that leg down. All right, from here, pull the knee in. We're extending the leg out in front of us for our bicycle, pushing back. Draw that knee back in. And again for 4. Remember, imagine that you're pushing through mud or honey, creating our own resistance here. Take that again for 2. Good. One more time. Reach it back, and now let's reverse that for 5. Scoop it in, really reaching that heel back. And push. Take that again. We have 3 and 2. Last 1. From here, extend your leg out. We're going to rotate the legs so toes are pointing up towards the ceiling. And from here, we're lifting up, squeezing the inner thigh. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And we take that again. Lift. Lower it down. And again for 3. And reach. And 2. Good. Last 1. Really reaching out long through that leg. Last exercise, going to bend both knees. We're connecting the heels, lift the feet off of your mat. And then from here, open that top leg, close it shut. And we open and squeeze. Keep that going. And press. Good. We have 4 more here. And 3. 2. Good. Last 1 here. And press. Go ahead and lower the legs. Shake out that left leg. Take a second. So from here, we're going to transition onto our stomach now. We're working on the back. So on your belly, from here, we're going to have the arms framing the face. And we're just going to start by taking a big inhale, and we're going to lift up, lifting the arms with us, and then we lower it back down. So the legs are relaxed here. Just working that upper body. Take a big inhale, lift, and lower. And we lift. Let's take that again for 2. Think about your navel pulling into your spine here to protect that lower back. Last 1. Lift. We're going to hold it here, and I want you to lift your legs up as well. And then we lower everything down. And let's take that again. We lift and lower. So you're really squeezing the seat. Lower it down. And lift. And lower. Good. Last 2. And lower. 1 more time. Lower it down. Good. From here, we're going to stack the hands on top of each other, and you're bringing your head down. From here, we're going to lift that right leg up off of your mat, and I want you to flex your heel, bend that knee in. We're taking those hamstrings again, stretch it out, lower that leg. Left leg, lift, flex and bend, stretch it out, and lower. Keep that going, right? Flex and bend, stretch. And every time you lift your leg, I want you to think about pushing that hip down into your mat. Good, we're almost there. Keep that going. Right leg lifts, flex, bend, stretch it out. And take that left leg. Try to relax your upper body as much as possible. One more time, each leg. And reach. Good, and take that one more time. And stretch. Lower it down. All right, last thing here, we're going to stretch both arms out in front of you. And then from here, I want you to lift your arms, your head, and your legs up and off of your mat. And we're going to start to pedal and kick the legs. And I want you to breathe here. So you're taking a big inhale, big exhale. And again, big inhale, big exhale. 2 more breaths. Big inhale and exhale. Last one. And exhale. Lower everything down. Now go ahead and sit back towards your heels. We're pushing back into our child's pose. Let's stretch out the back. So you're really rounded over. Feel that energy reaching out through your fingertips, sending the tailbone back towards your heels. From here, let's go ahead and walk our hands to the right side of the mat. You're sending your hips to the left. Take a second here, breathe into that stretch, breathe into the back. And then let's walk our hands to the left side of the mat. Same thing, send your hips to the left, to the right. Take a second, breathe into that stretch. And then last time, walk your hands back center. Take that final child's pose. Keep the arms nice and energized. And then go ahead and come up to sitting. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and would love to see more, please download our app Yoga Plus for more exclusive content. Don't forget to check out my next video of the series, and I'll see you next time.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.